Apple is developing a folding iPhone. Leading experts are working on it. Apple continues to work on its own folding smartphone with a flexible display. Today, the company has patented another development related to the folding iPhone. According to the idea of Apple engineers, the iPhone with a folding display will be similar in form factor to the first flexible smartphone Samsung Galaxy Fold. The new Apple patent describes the design of a smartphone with a folding design and a flexible display. Apple's solution is to use the device in a folded form as a smartphone with traditional dimensions and in the unfolded state as a tablet. Patently, Apple experts noted that one of the authors of the patent is engineer Christopher Jones. His track record contains only those Apple products that subsequently went on sale. It is possible that Apple has serious plans for folding iPhones. Apple definitely will not rush to launch its own folding smartphone for sale, despite the activity from Samsung, Huawei and other manufacturers, analysts say. The company will wait for a suitable time for the release of a new type of iPhone. In this regard, the output of the folding iPhone is not expected over the next 2 to 3 years.